Natural disasters can strike anywhere, even while traveling. Do you know what to do if you're far from home? Let's explore essential tips for staying safe on the go. First, research your destination. Know the types of natural disasters common to the area and locate emergency services like hospitals and shelters. Pack a portable emergency kit. Include items like a compact first aid kit, a flashlight, extra batteries, water purification tablets, and high-calorie snacks. These essentials can help you survive until help arrives. Always have a communication plan. Carry a charged power bank and pre-download offline maps. Share your itinerary with someone you trust. During a disaster, stay calm and follow local emergency guidelines. Evacuate only if it's safe and you know your route. If you're sheltering in place, find a secure location and conserve resources. Finally, prioritize self-care. Stay hydrated, avoid injuries, and keep your morale high. It's as important as physical preparation. Traveling doesn't have to mean unpreparedness. With these strategies, you can stay safe and ready for anything. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.